In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to divide a polynomial by a simple binomial. Okay, so I'll be dividing this using the long division. This is how you perform the long division. So we set the polynomial minus x squared and then 9x minus 10. So we make use of the same symbol that we use for real numbers, and then we place the divisor x minus 2. So how do we get the quotient of this? The idea is you are trying to find something that you need to multiply 2x minus 2 to create this. And the first terms will be the guide in looking for the quotient. Okay? So I want you to focus your attention on the first term of the polynomial and the first term of the divisor. So think of it this way. I need to multiply something with x so that I will get 3x cubed. So that's the idea. Okay? So in order for you to get 3x cubed, what should you multiply to x? And the answer should be 3x squared, right? To get 3x cubed, you need 3x squared times x. Okay? So that will be the first term of the quotient, so 3x squared. And then the process will go like this. So 3x squared multiplied to x, you get 3x cubed and you write it here. And then at the same time, take note, you are multiplying this to x minus 2, so I have to multiply the 3x squared to the minus 2, and this will give me negative 6x squared. Okay? After that, same with the division of numbers, you subtract the result from the polynomial. So if I continue to do this, so 3x cubed minus 3x cubed is 0, negative 8x squared minus negative 6x squared should be negative 2x squared. And then just bring down 9x and minus 10. And then all you have to do is to repeat the process. Okay, so you have to think of an expression to multiply to x so that you will get negative 2x squared. So something times x must be equal to negative 2x squared. And that means you need negative 2 times x. So that will be the second term of the quotient. Okay? And then you multiply that to the x minus 2, you get negative 2x squared, and then negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4x. Again, you subtract. Okay? So when you subtract, so this will become negative 2x squared minus itself will be 0. 9x minus 4x is 5x, and then bring down minus 10. Finally, think of something you multiply to x to get 5x, so that means you're just missing 5. So I have 5, so plus 5, and then multiply it to x minus 2. 5 times x is 5x, and then 5 times 2 is 10, and then you subtract, and then you will get the remainder 0. Okay? So in this case, we ended up with no remainder, so it's 0, but the quotient is the one here, 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. So that's the answer when we divide the polynomial 3x cubed minus 8x squared plus 9x minus 10 by x minus 2. So this process is what we call the long division. So long division is the similar procedure that we do for whole numbers. Okay? In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use a different method of dividing polynomials. Some people say it's a faster way of dividing polynomials. Okay? We call it a synthetic division. Okay? But that will be covered in a different video. So for now, if you want to understand the long division, this is the video for that.